Quick explanation of the topic, outstanding expenses. What is the meaning of outstanding? In accounting, outstanding means something that is remaining to be paid or received. It is commonly used for expenses which are due to be paid. What are outstanding expenses? Outstanding expenses are those expenses which have been incurred and are due in the current accounting period. However, the payment is not made. Example, outstanding salary, outstanding rent, and more. Let us explain this with the help of an example. Imagine your business leases a building for which you pay $50,000 as rent every year. This year is over, but the rent has not been paid yet. This is outstanding expense, outstanding rent for your business. It is treated as a current liability. Some major highlights of outstanding expenses are: they are recorded when occurred, regardless of when the cash is paid out. They are recorded as current liabilities on the balance sheet and recognized as expenses on the income statement. At the end of an accounting period, outstanding expenses are adjusted to reflect the actual amount due and ensure accurate financial reporting. The process of recording and adjusting ensures the expenses are matched with the income that they generate, providing a more accurate picture of a company's financial performance.